I study at Burubun School. I study at Burubun School. I study at Burubun School. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I really love dogs. I really love dogs. I really love dogs. I like playing football. I like playing football. I like playing football. I'm very well. I'm very well. I'm very well. I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old. My home is in Nakhon Si Thammarat. My home is in Nakhon Si Thammarat. My home is in Nakhon Si Thammarat. My name is David. My name is David. My name is David. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? I live in Thasala. I live in Thasala. I live in Thasala. Hello, my name is Anna. Hello, my name is Anna. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I am Jenny. I am Jenny. I am Jenny. I don't like spiders. I don't like spiders. I don't like spiders. I go to Pakpan School. I go to Pakpan School. I go to Pakpan School. I like pizza. I like pizza. I like pizza. You are 5 years old? You are 5 years old? You are 5 years old?